Magandang hapon po ng June 27, 2026 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 27, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, June 27, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 27, 2026, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, June 27, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 27, 2026, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.